PV systems are used all around the world, and almost every country has different climate conditions and connection requirements. So PV inverters, as the heart of the system, need to be equipped for everything. But how are they made fit for global use? We are in the development test area for central inverters. This is where we test the devices, from components to products, for different aspects such as functionality, safety, reliability, and grid integration. We can supplement all this with tests on our own PV systems, allowing us to examine the whole system. We also perform on-site inspections of large customer systems. All of the findings are then incorporated into development. In our large climatic chamber, we are able to reach temperature ranges of -40 to +90 degrees Celsius.
We start testing of our products quite early in the development phase of the products already. We have several test loops during the development of the product. We do tests for certification for each market or each region. And we do test our products thoroughly during the production.
SMA produces solar inverters for worldwide installations, so we take the whole world into our lab. We do tests of worldwide grid codes and quality measurements like efficiency. With our self-developed test systems, we simulate the photovoltaic generator and the grid side, which is unique at this degree of automation. With our tests, we can guarantee that SMA inverters run grid-friendly and fulfill all national standards.
In the background, you can see our performance test chamber, where 100% of our inverters undergo a 65-minute test at full performance and at maximum temperature of 50 degrees Celsius. In addition to a fully automatic functional test, an insulation and wiring test is performed before the inverter starts our performance test. The stack is the heart of the inverter. It converts DC energy into AC energy. We test every stack thoroughly at full performance as an individual component before it is installed in the inverter. Spot checks are also conducted by other inverter manufacturers. However, I am relatively sure that we are the only ones who carry out a 100% test. Electronic devices emit electromagnetic waves, of course. If the thresholds are exceeded, then, for example, radio communication could be disrupted, and this is where we check these thresholds. Or on the other hand, if the device is too susceptible to interference, then cell phones could disrupt the operation of the device. We have an accredited laboratory here. This accreditation proves that we perform laboratory management in accordance with internationally recognized regulations, and that we test the inverters correctly in line with standards. Consumer products are usually expected to meet service life requirements of between a few hundred and a few thousand hours. But our inverters have to be ready for operation without any failures for tens of thousands of hours. Unfortunately, we don't have a time machine. But by means of accelerated aging with heat, cold, and temperature changes, we can gain information about the service life of our devices.
We don't compromise on quality. So with all our quality measures, with our testing during development and during production, we ensure that we can keep the high level of SMA quality even when we offer the best possible price for our products.
SMA has more than 35 years of experience in inverter technology. In our test centers, we gather new findings each and every day, systematically. Each experience helps to further improve the quality of our inverters.